We begin with a close-up inside a large hollow section of a tree trunk. The structure shows internal decay, highlighting why professional assessment is often necessary before climbing or cutting. This is the starting point of a controlled arborist operation where safety and precision are critical. The crew is now on site, inspecting the tree from ground level. One worker observes the structure carefully, while others prepare equipment. This stage is crucial in arborist work, understanding load points, weak sections, and planning the safest climbing route.
Really hollow, so that's good.
Yeah. Oh man, this would be a good one for my raccoon video.
It would.
Which I still have not completed.
We see the climber approaching the base of the tree and preparing climbing gear. A rope system is being secured, which will later support both ascent and controlled cutting. This ensures the climber can safely maneuver at height. The arborist begins ascending the tree using a rope and harness system. Each movement is controlled and deliberate, demonstrating proper tree climbing technique. The focus here is stability and safety while gaining height.
Oh my god. Got another new rigging rope.
The climber is now positioned higher in the canopy. From this angle, we can see the working area below, including crew members managing ropes. This coordination between ground and climber is essential for safe tree removal. The camera shows a top-down perspective, revealing how high the climber has ascended. The ropes are now tensioned, indicating preparation for cutting or sectioning branches in a controlled manner. The arborist is actively working on a section of the tree, carefully positioning himself before making cuts. In professional tree work, each cut is planned to prevent uncontrolled falling of heavy limbs. A section of the tree is being worked on and managed using ropes. The ground crew maintains tension to guide the direction of movement. This prevents damage to surrounding property and ensures safety. The tree is gradually being reduced in sections. The climber carefully shifts position while continuing controlled cutting. The environment below shows clear coordination between team members. We return briefly to the hollow internal structure of the tree, showing decay and weakness inside the trunk. This explains why such trees require professional removal rather than simple cutting. The climber is now working near the upper sections of the tree. Each movement is precise, ensuring that no large, uncontrolled pieces fall. The focus is on safety and controlled dismantling. The arborist adjusts position using ropes anchored higher in the canopy. This allows access to difficult angles while maintaining full body support and stability.
It's not gonna hit those power lines, is it?
No.
Okay.
Good.
On the ground, team members continue monitoring and managing rope tension. Communication between climber and ground crew is essential at this stage to ensure controlled cutting sequences. Most of the upper structure has been reduced. The remaining sections are being carefully prepared for final cuts. The tree's overall structure is significantly lighter now. The climber continues with final trimming and stabilization cuts. This phase ensures that no unstable sections remain that could fall unpredictably. The arborist begins transitioning downward while inspecting completed cuts. This ensures the job has been executed safely and no hazards remain in the upper structure.
The crew reviews the result of the removal work from the ground. Equipment is being repositioned, and the site is checked for safety and remaining debris. The operation concludes with cleanup and inspection of cut sections. The team ensures the area is safe and the job is fully completed. This marks the end of a controlled and professional tree removal process.